Easy. She's solid. She's solid. Let's get on it, boys. What's up, everybody? You guys can see I cleaned the front half of my car. It's pretty much how everything goes. I get about half of it done and then we move on to the next thing. I don't know if that's ADHD or I'm just a piece of shit. I know I just cleaned my car. You guys already saw that. You know, a couple years ago, I probably would have dumped all my trash out of my car, fucking left it here, said fuck the government, peeled out. Shit's changed me a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and dirty up the car again. Sorry, babes. Yeah, just FYI, fuckers, pick up your shit. All right, we're back on the trails here. Just finished up working out, getting them fucking sprints in, baby. I've actually never been over here before. I'm getting eaten alive by bugs. But yo, anything for you guys, you know what I'm saying? I heard there's some kind of, yep, well there we go, there's the water. Look at that. Should we keep it pushing? Look at this spot I'm at right now, hold on. Guys, I think I might have actually found one. It's something that I've been hunting for a while. We gotta be a little quiet. I'm gonna try to sneak up on it. There she is, boys. We got a smoker spot. Let's see. You're joking. For the boys? Now, the thing about these spots, though, you must leave everything back where you put it. Let's get out of here. Woo!
Hi.
Hello. How are you guys?
What are you finding?
All kinds of stuff. I can hear her. You guys ready? I still got a ways to go, but at least you can see it. Whoop. That's the spot I'm going to right there, boys. And girls. Yeah, let's get a closer look and then I'll hike down there. Hey. Woo, I can't wait to get down there and play. Looks like we got some old, I don't know what the fuck these could be. Old metal boat? No wonder you sank, dummy. Or I'm the dummy. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, look at this guy. Whoa, just when you think about getting in the river. You're crazy, I'm still getting in. I don't give a shit. Damn, sorry buddy. At least you know the dude who ate you. Got. And then me and my brothers were here the other week and we seen a freaking snake going down the river with a fish in his mouth. They were going mouth to mouth, and I'm all down for interspecies erotica, but it didn't look like they were fucking. It looked like that snake was trying to eat that fool's face. Then look at this! What the hell is in this river? We got a fat boy, big old guy. He's way dead. He's huge. Yeah. Water's moving way fast. Might be one of those days where I keep the shoes on. That shit's moving quick. Think I got it with the left-hand throw? Yeah. Nice. Keeping the shoes on just for safety precautions here. Woo! So we out here right now just on the lake, maybe, or the river. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I was here a couple days ago swimming, and I swam all the way up here and about drowned by the time I got there. You guys have no idea how cold this is. Oh shit. And y'all saw that fish in there. Wish me luck, boys. Oh shit. he passed off. Straight just hit the bottom. Ooh. I broke my toe. Oh. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. That's what this shit's all about. Whoa, hey. Chill, chill, chill. Ah. I didn't like that. Woo. Oh fuck. Kick my ass, baby. And look at this. Me and the boys will come out here and we'll make a video for you guys out there tubing. Because of all the winds and twists and curves and only God knows else. Hopefully not those fucking fish. But just going 10-15 minutes up the road, it'll take you an hour and a half to tube. I'm like, God damn. Should we walk down the riverbed? Huh? Ah, looks like it's gonna get pretty darn shitty down there. Keep it pushing. Oh, look it up here. If you want to take a little cutesy tootsy on a little date ski, bring her over here. Yeah. And y'all know, post-quarantine, dudes and girls gonna be out in these streets horny. I'll tell you that much. Y'all nasty. But I'll probably be there too. I hate to say it. Respect all women. Scouts honor. But dude brings you here wearing shorts like this? Hey. Y'all know. And this is where I get weird. I always do on the way home because I'm tired and hungry. What an adventure. What an adventure. Yeah, can't wait to start making these videos with my boys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You know, tell your friends. Anybody else you think is unpopular. You know. I think what we're gonna start doing is trying to do at least one weekly vlog. Something fun. Get outside, do something weird, try to get in trouble a little bit. What I also like to do is we want to start bringing you some indoor stuff. So slowly but surely, I am working on the content. I am working on the camera equipment. I am working on the lighting. I am working on the everything else. You think you're ready to do something until you start putting it in action, and then you realize, wow, I should have asked somebody first, because I'm an idiot. Till next time, see you guys at the house.